believe we are live. Okay, cool. All right. So, welcome everybody and quick introduction. This is Dr. Nancy Lee, a director of product and feature in Forbes. I've helped 1,000 people land a dream PM job offer in fan companies and unicorn startup, continue to get promoted as a product leader. And today you are in my live resume review. We have like 7 people, including myself, on the Zoom to do live resume review. We also have other people who join us on LinkedIn Live and YouTube Live. Okay, so I also need to remove the AI in my Zoom. Mike, is your AI, the AI note taker? We're going to remove it because those AI email people after the event. Okay, oh, you turn it off yourself. Okay, great, perfect, cool. Okay, so let me do this. Let me also confirm if anybody see me live on YouTube and LinkedIn, say hi in the chat, just say hi in the chat, and also let me know where you from. Say hi in the chat and let me know where you're from, and let me see, let me confirm if I am live or not. Sometimes there's some tech issues. And let me go to, nice. Okay, so we're live on both YouTube and LinkedIn. Okay, great, cool. Okay, great. Yeah, comment in the chat and I should be able to see everyone's comment. Let me see who else is here on my Zoom as well. Okay, so I see Raj, Mahesh, how are you? Sjel from London. Yeah, it's very good timing for people from London and to join us, and some people from India as well, some from Seattle. Oh, that's very early. Navita, you're from Seattle. That's early. That's 8 a.m. your time. That's great. I try to do it in the afternoon so people on the West Coast can join us, but it's hard for my baby schedule. So I just force it early. 8 a.m. is also good for you guys, so you don't need to go to work yet. So you can just get up a little bit early, get free resume review. Awesome, cool. So now let's do this and also see who else is here with me. Ishan from India. Oh, and also Satak from North Carolina. Great. Xiaofeng from Boston. I'm from Boston too. Now I live in Miami in the winter. Ria from Toronto. How are you? I see lots of people tuning with us. Rav, I saw your comment as well. Awesome. Okay, great, cool. All right, so now let's get started with today's resume review. Let me go through the agenda quickly. This is a pre-event training to our upcoming masterclass. The majority of people who have Zoom link are people who already registered for masterclass. Email my team, so that you get free Zoom link with me. So let me also tell you guys how to join me next time, or join me right now if there are more slots available. And let me share you my deck. And so how to contact our team. Right here. Okay, so free resume review every Monday, which I really like. Free resume review, that's why people join us. We skip the inspirational stories. A quick resource. If you're preparing for upcoming interview, go to this website, drnancy.com/50fam, which has a like interview questions database. Literally, our student uses database prepare for the upcoming interviews. Even if you're not interviewing with fan company, they literally have the same similar type of questions. Even company like Hershey, is doing interviews using similar type of questions. Design a bookshelf, design everything is quite similar. So let me put this in the chat so everyone have it. One sec. I think if I post it here, it should be available in both YouTube and LinkedIn. Awesome. Okay, so yeah, get ready for your upcoming interview, use the database. Okay, so now here's the information. Why people join me on Zoom right now? Because they email my team ahead of time, nancy.nancy.com or info@pmsr.io. Okay, so when I'm live, you can email me. And email title is the same. And when not live, email my team at info@pmsr.io. The way it works is your email title should have the following: free resume review dash the date of attending masterclass. Okay, so we prioritize people who attend masterclass because we want you to have a resume ready and also part of portfolio ready, which in a second, I'll tell you what it's about. Okay, so right here, what is the masterclass? And let's go to websites, more clear. to you guys. And actually, we update our masterclass because we're gonna cover more AI content in our masterclass. Okay, so what is masterclass? Masterclass what we teach on my website, how to create product portfolio in 2 weeks to land any PM job offer, traditional or AI, even if you've been laid off or you have zero PM experience, come to this website and where I teach you exactly how to create product portfolio with 2 different kind of examples and template you can use. Okay, and before you attend the master class, we always want to help our student to have the resume ready, because by the end, you should be able to have your resume ready, product portfolio ready, which should also give you another free AI courses after the end of master class as well. Okay, so everything is there. So that's why when you email us, make sure to tell my team regarding the date you have registered so that you won't get prioritized. Anybody who didn't register, and if we have extra time, happy to review a resume, but we have high number of attendance. So that's why usually people need to get prioritized, and also why people join me on Zoom right now. Okay, cool. All right, so now let me share my screen regarding the resume. Cool. People ask on LinkedIn, what is the link to masterclass here? Let me just put the link here so you know what I'm talking about. Let me put my yeah, this is happening live. I'm also putting the link in the YouTube and LinkedIn, so you have it ready. Okay, so I think people on LinkedIn didn't get this. The interview questions database. Okay, so I have both, and so that you can get ready. Okay, so now let's do this. Let me go to the resume. If you already sent me a resume, let me do it here. Cool. All right, I have many resumes. Let me match the name. Mike is here. Navita is here. Mahesh is here. Sajel, I don't see your resume. Let me see. Some of the
It's the
names.
second last one.
Second, oh, right here. Okay, got great. Let me see who else is here. Raj is here. Okay, great. Cool. Let's I have everybody, most people here who sent me a resume ahead of time. Now let's do this. Ladies first. Okay. Navita, and can you quickly introduce yourself?
Hi, yeah, myself Navita. I've been working as a business analyst and now product owner for about 7 years. And during this time, I've worked across different industries, from e-commerce, healthcare to media. Currently, I'm working as a product owner slash product manager for a consulting firm, and my goal is to move into a company with a product manager role.
Great, glad you already have 7 years experience doing product owner, business analyst, and there's like lots of overlap between PM and BA and the product owner.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's do this. Let me read your resume right now. It's 1-page resume is great. My resume is also 1 page. If you have good ones, you don't need more than one, but usually you can go for 2 if you want to, but maximum 2. You don't need more than 2 for sure. Professional experience. I think customer interview. This is a good resume. This one is good with minimum changes. And if you want, you can add more impact. You talk about a little bit impact, which is fine. if you can highlight the type of product you work on, for example, it's AI product or it's a SaaS product, different kind of product, if you want
Okay.
to tell other people regarding the specialties of product you have, but this has all the like the MVP, user journey map, customer interviews, and different things. And in general, this is good. You can make small changes,
Okay.
or for example, you can make some of the keywords earlier in the sentence, and
Okay.
like small changes you can do. And GTM looks like you haven't done GTM. If you've done GTM, you can create another bullet
Yeah.
point about GTM. But in general, it's good. But the problem is down below. If you already
Okay.
have 7 years experience, but you only showed like less than 2 years, less than 3 years. I think like 3 years experience here. Um, you need to highlight what you've done in the past related to PM because you have lots of BA
Mhm.
experience, lots of BA. I have seen many people BA transition to PM, no problem.
Yeah.
So what you've done in the BA, instead of talking about review data, like you should write your BA experience the same style of how you write here.
Okay.
For example, you said customer feedback, which is equal to conduct a voice customer interviews to understand the pain point, right? So basically, I've done something quite similar as a business analyst, but the way
Mm-hmm.
you wrote it is more analytical. It's not product driven, so you should rewrite it, make it more
Okay.
product driven.
Okay.
I like the impact here. All right, and same thing. You move back to um, impact, but it didn't tell me more regarding how much we did in the past related to PM. Okay, especially you have those have like 4 years
Okay.
experience here.
Yeah.
If you can highlight more regarding like things related to PM, and then oh, she already had experience since 2016 all the way to now, so much related to PM. So we should hire her not only to become PM, but become a senior PM as well.
Right. Okay.
Okay, that's
Okay.
the main thing. That's the yeah, that's the main thing you have. But in general, this is good. With some small
Okay.
changes, the resume changed. Okay, because only
Okay.
reader only have less, yeah, not as much experience because you waste lots of talent here.
Okay. And
Cool.
the summary that I have at the top, do you think that's okay, or should I
You
rephrase?
should add some impact to your summary. So we're saying that you did something, but you didn't talk about the
Yeah.
impact. You did this leading to ABCD impact.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay.
So that's the main thing. Okay, good job. Good job. Let me go to next one.
Thank you.
Oh, we have a sequence here. I have two. Why this? Why is PPT? Who put Mahesh, are you here? Why you have a PPT?
Hmm.
It should be this one.
Yeah, even
Can
I'm
you
not sure.
introduce yourself?
Yeah, so currently I'm working as a product manager for McKinsey and Company,
Mm-hmm.
and I was working on a product which was into sustainability practice, which dealt with integrating multiple data sets. And uh, prior to this, I was a system engineer and moved to the product manager role. And before McKinsey, I was with Marks and McLennan, again into system engineering, and started my career with HCL, which is a firm based out of India. Overall, 13 years of experience, but initially started with the infrastructure engineering and system engineering, and moved to product management within McKinsey itself. So
Mm-hmm.
close to 7, 8 years within McKinsey as a product manager.
What product do you create for McKinsey? Is it internal product?
Yeah, these are internal products. So
Oh.
um, these are products which are used by CSTs, by like delivery teams, and these are um, generating impact for clients, but at the back end, these products are basically used by our delivery teams.
Okay, very cool. Okay, so let's see this. Um, Let me see how many pages. Oh, 2 pages. Okay, if it's 3 pages, I'll send you back right away. Okay, so da da da. Let me see. Let me see. Same company. It's too much information. I think condense your resume into one page if you want, and lots of non-necessary information. For example, personal summary, if you can just do 3 lines, highlight your impact, will be enough instead of doing all the bullet point because I won't read it anyway. Okay, so hiring manager only has 6 seconds to scan your resume, and they only read the top part was, oh, you have 13 years experience PM. Okay, fine, skip. And then see what you have. Okay. Accountabilities, I will change to responsibilities instead of accountability, wrong word choice. And then what you have here, you have 12 bullet point. I say more than 12, 15. It's whatever. I think the 15 bullet point, too many. Cut down to like maybe 6 or 8. If you work for the company for a long time, you can do 8, something like that. You don't need that many bullet point. Lots of people, lots of things here are not necessary. For example, like supporting, maintaining, monitoring this, and right. So what does this mean? How is impacting the customers is not very clear. If you draft yours as a consultant or support person, not like a product manager who owns it and also owns the product strategy. Okay, just feels that way. Okay. What you should have done is you rewrite this. I will highlight in terms of your impact on top first because you work for the same company for a long time. You can just give them an overview regarding created ABCD product. Looks like you are data set. Maybe this is a product. There should be a type of product. For example, it could be pricing sourcing product for a consultant. I don't know, like internal, I don't know your product, so it's not very obvious. We only have 6 seconds scan your resume quickly. So when they're scanning, it's where, oh, so is this SDW? Is this your product? If so, maybe make it more straightforward. What is SDW? Software development warehouse? I don't know.
Yeah, that is sustainability data warehouse.
Okay, you should spell it out, right? So if in the past, I don't know, 8 years, if in the past 8 years you have working on this one product, I think it should be multiple. It's very confusing. Okay, because the time is very long. We don't know what exactly you did, how many products you launched in 8 years. So give us a summary saying that launched 5 products for McKinsey consultant and including like sustainability, product, and plus payment, product, something ABCD product. You can do a summary upfront. And also the impact you had for the company. And then down below, you can talk more regarding what exactly is like long-term product roadmap. Yeah, this is fine. You can describe drove long-term product roadmap of ABCD product. Right, and then with different kind of, where is the requirement? A document product requirement, user stories, insurance and different. This is fine. You can create product requirement documentation. I just feel like it's a very long list, a to-do list without the impact and not very obvious what the key product you have created in the past 8 years. That's the main problem. Okay, for example, did you create a go-to-market strategy or any product strategy, product visions? Because they've been there for 8 years, so people will ask you questions regarding product strategies, different things. But it's not clear. Again, it feels like you're just working on things. You have a to-do list, you did it, but there's not much so behind why you are doing this, what is it you do for other people, right? Because it could be internal tools, could also be you build it for your clients. It's just not very obvious. It's all over the place. Take care of PNL. Well, it's not necessary if you want to say it. And so what? You have PML for how many clients? I don't know. The whole thing is very confusing. Are you a consultant or are you a product manager creating something for a consultant? If so, you should make it very clear so they can be a real product manager. And then cut off some bullet point that's not necessary. And there's another consulting company. I'm gonna put it on the supporting application and Windows. I relate to oh, same thing. Same thing.
Mhm.
I think the problem is a consulting company. You write your resume as a consultant. The whole resume just feels off. This sounds like a consultant style as well. I was working as admin for different things. Tell us the product related experience. If you're doing admin, can you just delete this? We don't really care your admin. You're looking for product manager job, right? And even if only 5 or 4 bullet point rated PM is fine. I don't want to see any distractions because kind of just confusing. When you issue distractions, just very confusing. Is this guy PM or rated PM? Is this guy consultant as a PM or he's like also doing admin as a consultant? Oh, it's all over the place. Maybe you can delete some of these things, only keep the PM stuff going, like related to it as well. And same thing this, it's just a lot going on. Not sure what the purpose of things. And then after you delete lots of things, and you can condense everything into one page. Okay,
Got
so
it.
yeah, but you have 13 years experience, it should be easy for you to repackage. I have people literally doing what you did, only a consultant, like consulting PM, just doing for consulting type of work for 8 years, and he joined Microsoft. You can do it as well. Okay, cool. Mike, you're up, and can you quickly introduce
So
yourself?
Nancy, yeah, Nancy,
Mhm.
just a question like
Okay, Mahesh.
as I switched from system engineering to product management, so do I give more emphasis on product management side instead of engineering side, right? While writing
Yeah,
the whole story.
yeah, yes, exactly. I think you're better fit for product management side. If you want to apply for system engineering job, you should have a completely different resume.
Got it. Got it. Okay.
Yeah, but
Sounds
I
good.
think your profile is good for product management based on what I've seen so far. But right now, I think right now you're trying to mix up both. It's very confusing. It's very confusing. Maybe yourself
Okay.
is confused. That's why I asked me the question. So maybe you should go for both. That's why when you write your resume, you have kind of different information like in it, which is not good. Stick to one side or have two different versions. Cool. All right. So, Mike, you're up. Can you quickly introduce yourself?
Hey. Hi, Dr. Lee. Hi, my name is Mike Sims. I'm a geospatial technology expert. Got 17 years of experience doing that. I've also been a product manager, formerly for a Fortune 300 company for the engineering department at Norfolk Southern Railroad Company. Throughout my career, I've always leveraged geospatial technology to solve people's problems, to improve people's lives, and to generally make the world a better place. Now, my focus has been on geospatial technology, GIS, mapping, LiDAR, remote sensing. But as a side of that, you have to build products. You have to build web applications. You have to build databases. You have to build UI experiences for customers. So informally, I've been doing that for pretty much as long as I've been doing GIS. However, officially, I've been doing product management for about the last 5 to 7 years, I would say formally. So that's where I am. So I'm trying to move into more direct product management. I love the AI and machine learning space. My research background is image classification and object classification from remote sensing imagery. And I love that, but I also work with vector data as well. And so I'm looking to move into more product management where I can leverage my 17 years of geospatial technology expertise to build products that delight customers.
Very good. Very good. Cool. Any tech companies you want to join or any AI companies? Or you just break in first?
I've been at a Fortune 300 company. It's a big battleship. It's not as dynamic as I would like. Although I know that some big tech companies internally, their teams move a lot faster. So, I would imagine Google and Google Maps or Apple Maps, those teams would move a little faster. But also some startups, anything that's applying some cool technology, I would love to be a part of that. So I'm open to anything.
Yeah. You have great experience and it should be easy for you to land a job once you write your resume. Well, so let's see how good is the resume.
Let's see.
2 pages. I'll tell you what's going on. So you're in the same company for a while, right?
Yeah, 8 years total.
It's time to jump. I usually recommend people to move within like 3 years. Every 3 years, move a new company.
Okay, yeah, that's why I'm doing this.
You need to move, or you get your salary doesn't grow after 3 years. Oh, cool. Got a PhD. Awesome. So, your PhD was in this. That's why you do like image like the image
That's right. Yeah,
recognition
my
part.
master's is in geographic information science as well.
Cool. Okay, number one thing, too small.
Too small.
It's all way too small. Same size, or you don't show. Once you make it too small, it's really hard to read, hurt people's eyes. I need to guess what this is. And again, we only 6 seconds to scan one resume to see if there's anything we're looking for, and then we can go back to see the part of other different things. Okay. So therefore, too small. Once it seems too small, I won't read it anyway. So wasting space and also creating distractions. So you can make it bigger and highlight things that you think is important. Or you delete everything that's small, the whole thing if you want to. Or you can write a summary, like three lines of summary, and put them into sentences.
I was liking people's summary statements were nice. So maybe I'll work that in there.
Yeah, exactly. So, what else going on? It's good, but there's no priorities. Looks very technical.
Okay. Highlight more the product side.
I want you to do more because now you're very niche. You're just like all the PhD like me, they're very niche. Whenever you're very niche, people do not want you to get out because what a waste of experience. You already got a PhD, better stay in your current role, right? So for that purposes, I want you to make it clear, even if this geospatial product management, remove engineering, geospatial product manager, and that's it. And then you're already very technical. No need to make it even more technical. You should make yourself more business. Okay. And then down below, I want you to do is describe the type of product. Is this your product? Business intelligent mapping software product? Is this your main product?
I manage about 34 formal products. These are I have our flagship is a giant geospatial portal that aggregates over 120 data feeds from the engineering department. Okay. So I should probably put that in there.
You should speak very, very complex. So you should speak in the angle from people who's outside the industry. Okay. So let me describe outside the industry because you want to switch, right? So like Google, different kind of companies, right? If you want to switch for people outside the industry, you should make it clear what is your product. For example, your product is the platform and the service product that integrate 120 different kind of geospatial data and through dashboard and AI, I don't know, whatever data processing into an end-to-end like platform and service product. And then which enables I don't know geologists to do ABCD things. So you should describe your product for people outside of your industry. If you want to join companies like Google Map, different places, you can describe in terms of like the second bullet point, and this product had integrated with Google Maps, You make it easy for people outside the industry to understand what exactly is your product compared with, he's just working on some science, deep science tech product.
Gotcha.
That's the main thing. We just don't exactly understand, but you do have all the like related experience such as agile product management development and all of this. Where's the voice of customer interview? Voice of customer interview is missing roadmap. Where's the roadmap? Hold on.
Mhm.
Where's roadmap? I don't. Is
About the
this?
fourth bullet down.
Oh.
Spearhead design, planning, development, testing. Yeah.
This is
Actually, put
roadmap?
some more.
No,
No, it's not. No, you're right.
This is not roadmap.
Oh, here we go.
I
Report
know you.
bi-weekly to upper management on software project statuses, product roadmap, schedules, and projections.
Why you hidden here? You see reporting roadmaps. Okay. So to
All
make it clear, Joe product
Okay.
roadmap of your whatever platform as a service product. That include 120 different kind of features, and make it more obvious. You're hidden lots of different things. I want you to delete some of those non-necessary verbiage. Like for example, some of the 3 lines here. Just make you give us more than what we need.
Okay.
And then you're hiding things like here, like see, I was both you and me were looking. I said, where is it? Like when you're hiding it, they can't find it anyway. Okay,
Gotcha.
so delete the part that's not necessary, whatever different things are not necessary. And then highlight the part that's necessary, bring it up front. And if you want to talk about other achievement you have because you're working there for a really long time, you can add them towards the end so you don't have distraction. But in general, I think the too many bullet points that give us more than what we need, and too many, it's a way too, this is 4-line things. I don't know, way too long. Just more than what I need. That's my point. Okay, and make it really technical.
Streamline.
Yeah. Same thing. Which I also don't understand how it's different from. Oh, different products. It's different product, right? Project manager.
Just a project, yeah.
Remove engineering and okay, the report. If you have done lots of product work in the past, you should here again talk more regarding product related things. Even if you're a project manager, do you do anything related product, for example, driving product roadmap and like working across functional team, working in the agile, like all of this, you need to write that again and spend less time talking about project manager, do more regarding product manager by hitting all the similar keywords. And also the way you write it is more project management style, not product management style. I want you to rewrite it as well. Same as we should before, but some of these say a long time ago, you don't need to
just do a few
you can
bullets.
do summary. Remove engineering. Why is it engineering? Clearly software developers say all engineering. Okay, and I think the number bullet point is fine. You can maybe, I think this, you can just highlight your achievement and some SQL, those are good in general. The problem is more up here. That's the most important real estate asset you have, but you gave us more than what you need. And then hiding important things like this towards the end, nobody can find it anyway.
Okay.
Cool.
Thank you so much. Excellent.
Awesome. Best of luck. I like talking to other PhDs, all brilliant people out there. Okay, it takes years to finish. But all like brilliant people. Awesome. So everybody find this free resume review useful, please share any of my posts and tag me on LinkedIn. I would really appreciate. Okay, and no need to say you're looking for a job. You just be like, I found Dr. Nancy's content very useful. Anybody who's interim product manager should go reach out to her. You don't need to say yourself you're looking for a job. People understand this. Okay, just like make it blurry so that you don't feel like letting everyone know. But you can just say, everyone go to Dr. Nancy. Lots of amazing free content you should check out. Okay, cool. I really appreciate it, and tag me in your post. Now, who is Raj? Right here. Cool. Let's do this. Oh, can you quickly introduce yourself?
Yeah, so hi, Dr. Nancy. So my name is Swapnil Raj. I'm working as a software engineer in HCL Tech and it has been 3.5 years since I've been with HCL. My current work is, it is more of like, my designation is software engineer only, but I am in touch with PMs and BAs. So it is more like when a new application is developed for manufacturing domain, I am being included in that. And from there, I get into touch on users research and all, roadmap and feature prioritization. From there, I got the spark and I tried to learn more about these things. And now I want to transition to PM role.
Okay. Let me see what you have. By the way, we have lots of software engineer became PM. HCL. I hired people from HCL when I developed my smart cities product a long time ago. You following my template, but you reversed it. So everyone go here. darknesscity.com homepage. Towards the bottom on the homepage, you go resume, go here. Okay, so you can download the PM resume template over there. Just go to my homepage towards the bottom, this link to it. My template, you're kind of following my template, but you didn't follow it correctly. Okay, so everyone else, let me put the link if people want the template. Let me put on LinkedIn and and YouTube. One sec. Oh, people ask where can I add my resume? Okay, here. You missed that beginning, so let me do a quick Q&A here. Right here, we can add your resume. Email my team, info@pmsr.io, or when I'm live, you can email me. But today we're running out of time. We already have lots of people here, so you can directly email my team at info@pmsr.io. He's gonna add you to my next live next Monday. In your email title, make sure to include the title like this: free resume review dash the date of attending masterclass. Okay, what is masterclass is here. Okay, so masterclass will teach you how to create your product portfolio. And before you come here, we want to have your resume ready so you can have your product portfolio ready, resume ready, and go out for your job hunting process. Okay, so make sure to include the date because prioritize people who attended masterclass. Okay, so just email my team info@pmsr.io and right here. Cool. So now, and oh, by the way, people take a screenshot right here. Maybe too fast. Take a screenshot which has the information for my team, info@pmxer.io, which has the link, everything on email title you're looking for. Okay. Take a screenshot right now. Now, let me go back to your resume. In the template, move upfront, move your achievement upfront and your responsibilities because it's very hard to understand your logic without seeing what you did.
Understood.
I like it. Actually, you did lots of PM keywords, especially the technical requirement and MVP. You might want to add more things towards Agile because you work in the Agile development process, right? Talk more regarding Agile, but I do like your stories and those are great. Those are great. Okay. Are you fresh graduate?
It was
2019.
back in 2019, yeah.
So you graduated in 2019. This is the only company you work for, right?
Yeah.
Why there's a gap? Oh, there's another. Oh, intern. You did an intern. I see. Certification. I think those. Okay, I think those are good, and you may want to organize how you write it to make it being able to fit into one page and move this earlier. But in general, you have all the keywords I was looking for very well. Just add more regarding Agile. If you've done any like driving product roadmap, it will be great. But your software engineer, you may or may not be driving product roadmap. Maybe you make recommendations to update the roadmap. If so, you can add it there. But regarding GTM stuff, I think you haven't done it, which is fine. When I was engineer, I didn't do GTM either. Okay, but I want to add other things I talked about earlier. But in general, this is good. In general, this is good. Just need to rewrite and organize things below better. Okay, cool.
Okay.
Great. Nice.
Thanks
Good
for
job.
reviewing.
So, no problem. Again, I really appreciate you guys tag me on any LinkedIn posts. Yeah, okay. Let me see who else. One more. Karthik's not here. Sjel, let's do this. Let me open your file. Okay. Did you make something fancy that we couldn't see your name?
I am not sure why it is not showing up. I can send my PDF file if that's
No, no,
okay.
no, 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 no. It's okay. It's okay. I just want to see the main
It's just
thing.
my name and some
you can
headline.
add it back. Okay, but too long, 3 pages. Okay,
It's
so
actually 2 pages. I think there is something wrong with the whole
oh,
rule.
okay. I see. Cool. Can you quickly introduce yourself?
Sure. My name is Sjel and I am in London right now. I have over 20 years of experience in the tech industry and about over 9 years in product management and leadership. I have recently moved from Copenhagen to London, supporting my wife's career. But while I was in Copenhagen, I have achieved awards in product management and product development for industries that are in web hosting and technology, as well as the largest media company and the largest advertising company. While I was working, before that, I have studied masters in software engineering in the University of Southampton in UK, where I had an honor to work with Sir Tim Berners-Lee, who is the inventor of internet, and I was one of the pioneers creating accessibility-based web product. And
Very cool. You have lots of experience. That's great. So let me see your resume. Oh, 20 experience. Introduction to long and some impact. We know how many years experience. Just jump to impact faster. What kind of impact you had? I know you did all of those things. Well, what kind of impact wasn't very obvious. Skills, whatever, you can move towards bottom. Let me see the main thing. Product management. Oh, you're missing. As a VP, you are missing product strategy and create product vision or product strategy of ABCD kind of product. That part is missing. And you're also missing another thing, which is like hire, mentoring, senior, like junior product manager or senior product manager to grow their career. All of those are missing. So they want to see your leadership. You are in a more senior position. When you join a new company, likely, I assume you're going to do a people management position because they have 20 years experience. They want to see your leadership experience. You're missing leadership. Okay, so now let me show you here. I have a new YouTube video you should go study. This one. This video talks about the important resume skills from entry level all the way to director and VP level. You should watch this. Okay, this is very relevant to you. And give you example entry level all the way to VP level example. You are missing the leadership, the impact you have made, the product vision, product strategies on your resume. That's the main thing. This is great. For senior PM, I think this senior PM level, this is just not VP level, what we discuss here. You can add more regarding where is the achievement? Your achievement was hidden. I think you wrote some achievement, wasn't able to see. I assume your achievement was good, but what I can see here is also good as well, as long as you have your achievement. Principal PM.
Maybe it's the background image. If you could just select and delete it, maybe it will show up. But
it's okay. I think you should be able to do achievement well, given your years experience. Oh, where's the roadmap? Missing roadmap, maybe hidden somewhere. I couldn't see. Missing roadmap. The rest is good. The rest is good. Mainly fixing the top ones and your skills. You can move towards the bottom. I wouldn't do it too early. you can move it towards bottom. So it's easier for recruiters to read. In high level, you're good. You're good.
Okay, thank you.
Awesome. No problem. Best of luck. I don't think Karthik show up. And Josh, I don't think Josh is here either. Okay. Cool. Okay. So looks like I finished all the pre-submitted resumes, and best of luck everybody. So if you find this free resume review helpful, make sure to share and like any of our content and tag me as well. It'd be really appreciated because it's gonna help lots of people who's breaking into the PM or wanna become a VP and grow their career as well. Awesome. So nice meeting everybody. So now let me also read and reply to some questions on YouTube and LinkedIn. People say, how to register masterclass? Here, everybody right here. This is what you're talking about. Okay. And people get this Zoom link was because they pre-registered for the masterclass. They put in the date. When did they sign up for the masterclass? So what is the masterclass? Which is on my website, drnancy.com right here. And homepage, darkness.com homepage, then click the first button, and many of the buttons lead to our masterclass. Okay, so you can register and let us know when do you register. So in the masterclass, we teach you exactly what you need to do to create a product portfolio, 5 different tools you can work on, and 3 different places you can find project work on masterclass. Okay, and then after you finish it, we also over there will also teach you networking script and different kind of ways to create your resume as well. But I want you to have your resume ready before you come into our masterclass. That's why we're doing free resume review. If you attend a masterclass, you will be prioritized. My team will put you in the folder and also invite you to Zoom as well. For anybody who didn't attend, you can still join me. But whenever we run out of time, we prioritize people attending masterclass. So that's what's going on. Okay. So now let me quickly answer those questions. Let me see my chat. I answer question, how can you send my resume? Yes, right here, the ones I showed you earlier, email my team. Xiaofeng, send my resume before class. Just send it again to your email. Join from LinkedIn link, and I can see can unmute yourself. You cannot unmute yourself. Email my team. You can join me next week. I don't know why you have some technical challenges. Okay, if anybody have technical challenges, somehow wasn't able to join me, and email my team at info@pmaccelerator.io right here. Okay, email my team when I am live. Whenever we already have like 6, 7 people on my Zoom, we usually do not have not able to fit everyone. So but once you email my team, and they're gonna help you out. Okay. Am I sharing my screen right now? Yes, right here. Let me see what other questions we have. Ria said, do you recommend a summary to be included in the resume? Yes, I recommend a summary upfront at the beginning of your resume. I'm not able to upload my resume. Link provided above. Okay, so link above is where you download your PM resume template, how you submit your resume, and again, email my team. Everyone take a screenshot. Okay, everyone take a screenshot, then you know how to contact my team right here, and also the template. We have an email title and the date we attending masterclass. Masterclass means this. If you attended, you got prioritized. Okay, take a screenshot, everybody, so you have everything you need. Okay, and you should download PM resume template to rewrite your resume ahead of time before you even join me, or your resume would look really bad. Okay, so that's the reason. Cool. So let me show you the resume template right here. You can go to this URL, darknancy.com/PM resume, and go there. Program manager. Let me see. What is that? Satech. For program manager, how do we differentiate the resume? Are you looking for program manager job, or your program manager trying to become PM? If you want to become a program manager without transitioning to PM, just stay in the program manager lane. The way you differentiate yourself is based on the scope of the project, the size of project work on, and also type of like special technology work on. For example, program manager, you let your team working on AI product, AI technology, you can specialize over there as well. Or the size of scope is really big. Let's say you manage $250 million project, and you can highlight that way as well. When I was an engineer for Shell Oil, the product I work on was like $250 million. So that's how I differentiate myself. Okay. Cool. Looking for program and product both. For product manager, the way you differentiate yourself is based on the product you have launched, the impact you have created, and also maybe product vision, go-to-market strategy, and also depends on levels, right? Let's say we're in entry level, I don't think people expect you to do lots of product strategy, but they will expect you to do more regarding, hey, writing requirement documentation, doing voice of customer interview. So understand your level first. Okay. Great. So, looks like I answered all your questions. Awesome. Okay, great. All right, nice meeting everybody. Good job, everybody who had your resume reviewed. Help us to share and like any of our content and tag me. I really appreciate. Awesome. Okay, best of luck and keep me posted. Everyone who reviewed resume, keep me posted regarding any interviews you got. I love to hear from you guys. You can just reply to all the original email you submit your resume. My team like to hear from you, and also they're gonna pass all your feedback to me as well. Awesome. Okay, cool. All right, looking forward to see you guys. Bye, guys. Yeah. All right, and people on LinkedIn and YouTube, nice meeting everybody. Feel free to contact my team. I'll get you scheduled next time. All right, and make sure to like this videos and share this video with anybody who can benefit from our free training. Awesome. Okay, great. Great meeting everybody. Have a good day. Bye, guys.